getting any bites. Usually, right when I cast it, I'll get a bite. But for some reason this time, fish are not hungry. But I know there's fish out there. They're probably swimming around. They're swimming around my bait, but not eating my bait. Might have to switch locations if I don't get any bites from this side. Now, let me reel this in. Look at that. That's a good soft shell right there. Meanwhile, I'm gonna grab some bait. All right. Can you see my pole right there? Watch it. I got a fish on. Let's go. Alright. I got a fish on here. I got a small walleye. Look at that. Got a small one here. Tiny one. Put him back in the water. That is a good cast. I'm gonna catch a big one, right?
It's a nice day to fish, though, yeah?
Nice day. Yeah, fish on. I got it. They're all tiny perch. Another wall. Oh no, this is a barb perch. Small one though. Okay. You have to let him go too. Fish on! Fish on! Did I hook him up? Barb perch right here. Yes. Oh, this is a good eating. We're gonna eat today. Let's go. That's a decent size of perch. This is a bar perch right here. Look at that. Nice. Nice, let's go. We're gonna keep this one. We're gonna keep this one and eat it. Let's do it. Just leave it there. Yes. Now we got food to eat. I'm so hungry right now. Let's go. We got some charcoal here. Just gonna put it here in this pan. It's aluminum foil pan. Here. Just wait. We're gonna have to wait for this charcoal to burn a little bit and get that gassy smell out. I got this spike right here, or steak. We're gonna poke those fish, and that's how we're gonna cook it. So now while we're waiting for that charcoal to burn, we're gonna prepare our perch. I got here salt and pepper. Put it on top. There. Other side. I didn't scale it because I'm gonna put it on top of the fire. So and somehow that scale protects the meat from burning. Now we got our lemon. I'm gonna spike it. Just poke this guy right here, here, and here too. There. Yeah. Good. There you go. All right, now time to grill this fish right here. Look at that. Just go on top of that, and we're cooking. Yeah. Just wait. I'm hungry. All right. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. We'll just wait. All right, that looks good. That looks good. Woo. Ow, that hurts. I think this one is ready. Let me see. Ooh, oh no, it's burned. Yeah, it looks good. It looks good to me. Does it look good to you? Alright, I think this one is done already. So I'm gonna try see and eat it. I'm hungry. Yeah? Alright. And also forgot to tell you, this probably might be the last video that I'm gonna do for the month, because my wife, she's going to give birth on the October 20th. That's going to be this week. Today is the 16th. So in 4 days my wife will give birth to a child. That's going to be my third child. It's going to be a girl. So I'm super excited. With that, I'm not gonna be posting videos anytime soon, but I'll be active on some of my social media like Facebook, on my Facebook page, and I also have a group called Modern Fishing Net. That is a Facebook group. I'm gonna put I'll be active there, and on my Instagram too. So I'm gonna put the Facebook chat group link on the description below, so just click that up. Let's go eat this fish. I think it's burned already. So yeah, let's go. Let me grab my plate. This is going to be my plate. Yeah. Air. Woo, look at that. It's burnt. That's how you kill the fire. Done. Alright, let's go eat this guy. Woo. Pull this out. It's all burnt. Ow, 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 ow. Fail. Look at this. Oh my god, I think I burned my knees. So what happened was, oh my god, that hurts. Ow, it hurts. So this is where I put the pan and the charcoal right here on top of this. I forgot the sand is super hot. It hurts. Ouch. Woo. I think I burned my knees, my skin here. And look what happened to my fish. So I guess I'm not gonna eat today. This is the worst fishing catch and cook ever. What should I do? I can't eat this anymore because it's full of sand. This part doesn't have a sand. Oh, so good.